Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingreality.com, and today I really want to show you how to do some watercoloring. I'm just going to be showing you how you can do something like this using this stamp set. I have another sample here that you can see, and so I definitely want to make sure I show you how do I watercolor. So the first thing you're going to be needing is, of course, the stamp set, which is the Beautiful Moments, and this is coming out of the brand new spring catalog of the January to June catalog. And then you're going to go ahead and put watercolor paper. We are using watercolor paper, and this you're going to be putting it now on your stamp apparatus. I use the stamp apparatus because when you use the StazOn and the watercolor paper is too thick, so sometimes you don't get a really crisp image. So you definitely want to re-ink and do it again in case you have an area that is not as black. That way you can get a really black image on your paper. So anyway, so I have it here, set it up, and I'm going to go ahead and ink my image. And again, you have to be using a StazOn. You do not want to be using the Memento ink because you're going to be using watercolors. And definitely, if you use the Memento, you're going to smear some of the black image. So as you can see, this is not as black. So we're going to go ahead, and this is why I said the stamp apparatus will work better, because that way you can go back and stamp again. Now you just put enough pressure just to make sure you transfer well the image, and voila, this one looks much better. So once you're done that, make sure you close your StazOn. This one, because it's alcohol based ink, it kind of tends to dry faster. And then the other thing is, I'm going to link on this video a quick video on how to clean your images, because this is alcohol. Sometimes it would have stained your rubber stamp sets as well. So anyway, I'm not going to focus on that right now. I'm just going to put here, I'm just going to leave it like so. And again, I'm going to be linking another video on how to clean the images. But for right now, I just want to focus on coloring. So anyway, so I have here Headland Header. Now this one is a new type of stamp set. Sometimes it's really hard to kind of close it and get the color in, and if you're having the same issue, you can just go and grab a block, acrylic block, and just put some color here, right? You can see it here. Then I have here aqua painter brush. Make sure you have a little bit of water going on, and then you're going to be grabbing the color out of your block, and we're going to go ahead and start coloring, as you can see here. So you start, what I love about watercoloring is that you can go and add more color as you need. So you can start doing it light and then add more color. If you push here, if you push the barrel of your aqua painter, you get more water and you can get more subtle color. Now, as I am changing colors, I'm going to just grab a scrap of paper. I'm going to bring here the, let me see, petal pink. And on this one, I'm going to try to see if I can get a little bit. I couldn't get really anything, so I'm just going to grab another of these ones and get a little bit of color here. Let me see, did I pick? Yes. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the arms of this image cover, and you can see how you can even start doing some shading here as well. Okay, every time I'm changing colors, I just go and clean on a scrap of paper. Then I'm going to bring the Gorgeous Grape. Now this one is kind of like the same as the other one. Hold on, where is my give me 1 second. I should have here. Oh, here. I'm like, should have here, just to clean this up. I'm gonna put a little bit more here and grab some here, some of this color, and you can see here how you can be shadowing. It makes it really easy, as you can see. All right, and then I'm going to be putting a little bit more on this section. Alrighty. And I love doing watercoloring for this, to be honest. I feel like it always looks really nice. I'm just going to go ahead and do this little flowers. I feel like this is like those lavender fields, you know. So I'm just going to be adding this with it really dark. And you can see I'm kind of messy here. That's the beauty of the watercoloring. You don't have to be perfect. I'll do a close-up, or I'll show you here in a second how it looks so that you can see it. And again, you're going to be cleaning your brush every time you change colors. I'm going to go ahead and bring the Pure Pieces. Now this one is an old style, so you can see I can get a lot of the ink on the same path. And I'm going to bring this color and I'm just coloring here. Same thing here. And now I'm going to go ahead and get this one. Get a little bit more here. And again, as you get more color, you can get some here. And we're going to be changing colors again. Again, you can, oh, you know what? You can, for this section, I'm just going to go ahead and do that so that I can have the whole piece in green. Just change colors here. And then, let me just show you here a real quick close-up so you can start seeing how it looks. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring the soft suede. Same thing here. You have here a little bit of the color. I'm going to grab a little bit and do the hair. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit more so I can do some shadowing here. Okay, I'm going to clean these, and then just to finish off this image, I'm going to bring the pool party. Let me see, where is the pool party? I should have it somewhere here. Oh, here. Like I should have it here. And I have it also here. So I want to make sure I have a really, and then on this one, I want more of a pool of water because I want a really light. And I'm not going to go that close to where I color because you're going to pick up some of that color you use at because it's water. But you're going to try to go around those areas. You can see it here. That way you can get nice. Now, if you pick up some of that purple from the flowers, don't worry. You can add more water and it kind of blends out. So don't worry too much. Just try to not get so close to that. Like for instance, you kind of pick up a little bit here, so you just need to add more water and you'll be fine. I'm just trying not to go that close. And again, this is very subtle. I don't know that you can really see it. I'll do a close-up for you to see it. And you can see how easy it is for you to be very artistic. I love using watercolor with my aqua painter and my ink pads. I feel like it makes me feel like I am very artistic, and you can see it right here. So very easy to make. Now once it dries, you're gonna get something like this, as you can see. And let me just show you on this one. What I did is, this one is Calypso Coral. This one is the mint macaron. I used So Saffron. And the same thing for the hair was the So Suede, and the petal pink for the skin of these girls. I did add a little bit of Sahara Sand on the bottom, and then I did also Pool Party on the sky. So you can see how easy it is to make. I just love this stamp set so much, because you can do a lot of watercoloring and any color here, and you will feel very artistic. So this is very relaxing for me, to be honest, and I highly recommend for you to give it a try. So anyway, so thank you so much for joining me. I'll link also a video. I'll share later on a video on what the cards look like once I finish them. I'm gonna let this one dry, and I'll make the card, and then I'll show you another video where I am making it. And so anyway, if you like this video and you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you do the thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel so you get more information, as well as clicking on the bell so that you know exactly when I upload another video. And if you are on Facebook, make sure you like the Facebook page so that you get notifications as to when I upload new videos. So thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.